Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show you how to make this cute Easter Bunny Peep yard sign. Cut it out with the Glowforge. Let's get started.
Okay, I bought this file from Etsy. It's just a lot easier for me to buy some files through Etsy because the time involved for me to do it myself. It's a pretty simple file to make, but a lot of these I just do straight through Etsy for a couple bucks. The time saved is outweighs the cost. So I'm going to open up the Bunny Peep here. I've already got it on my coroplast loaded in there. Oh, I got the Pro Passthrough, so we're going to open that up, and it shows you right here where we're at. So what I'm going to do here is set the focus right in the middle of the coroplast. I'm going to go over here. I already have my coroplast set up to cut at 165 full power, and then the eyes and the nose, I'm just going to score those so we know where to paint the eyes and nose at on here. And I'm scoring that at 356.79 on the power. Okay, so it's ready to cut. After we did the focus, I want to make sure I'm near the bottom here. And I already set my size to 23.5, which made the width a little over 12 inches. So like I said, I've got 24-inch coroplast, 23.5. Just give me a half-inch safety leeway there on the cut. So we're going to go ahead and hit print. It's going to take 1 minute to print that part of it. So we're going to go over to the printer.
Turn my fan all the way up, my external fan.
Okay, now I got to shift the material forward.
So we're going to go ahead and shift that forward and just push it from the back to the front. Get it 3 or 4 inches off the bottom. And then I'm going to go back over.
Computer and hit continue. Aligning. Takes a few minutes. Alright, now what I have to do is just hit continue here on confirm. As long as it's pretty close, it'll print it out exactly. It'll cut it out exactly. So I'm going to hit continue. It's going to take another 48 seconds. Okay, that lined up pretty good. Now it's going through the process of taking pictures so we can cut the last part of it. Alright, now I got to shift the material forward. Continue. Alright, now it's lined up. Still got to cut another piece and pull it down far enough. Oh, I'm going to hit continue. I could have done that in 3 cuts. I just didn't pull it down far enough. So it's going to take an extra cut. Just a little extra time.
Alright, we're going to turn the fan off. Pull the bunny out. Just comes off really simply, just like that. And just pull that off there. And as you can see, we scored the eyes, the nose, and then cut everything out real nice. What I want to do here is just make sure we clean this up a little bit with some rubbing alcohol, just so the paint sticks good to it. We get off all the any grease or dirt marks that are on here, so the paint will stick real nice to it. I'm just going to clean that off real good before we take it out and paint it. Okay, there we go. You can see it was a little dirty. Okay, I bought some pastel colors spray paint at Home Depot, just Rust-Oleum. I'm just going to go ahead and spray this bunny down good. Make sure I cover it all the way. I can come back and put a second coat on if I want to, but I think I can get it all covered with one coat. Okay, now that the paint's dry, I'm just going to use some black craft paint for the eyes and the nose. Just going to take a little bit of that, squirt it on the plate. That's a little bit too much, I think. I've got a foam brush here. You can use just about anything. Just going to go ahead and I put way too much paint on there. There you go. My eyes aren't perfect, but it came out all right. Okay, there's the finished product. Got the stand, and you can get all these the coroplast and stands online, or you can buy them at Lowe's or Home Depot. It's a little more expensive there. That's it. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button and press subscribe. Thank you.